同学们好 In this video, I'm going to show you how to get around the website of Mandarin Matrix. So first, you will need to search Mandarin Matrix in Google or just put the website in the address, which is mandarinmatrix.com. Once you have go into the address, you will see the web page like this one. This is the login page. Here, you will need to put your username and password in. Your username and password are provided to you individually in the task response, so make sure you check there. Once you have logged in for the first time, you will be asked to change your password. So make sure you write down your updated password as well as your username. So because your accounts are specifically created for the Mandarin Excellence Program, so you won't be able to get your password by clicking forget password as you normally do. You would have to go into a lot of trouble in getting your password. Therefore, you must write down your username and your changed password to avoid delaying completing the task. Once you have logged in, you will see a web page like this one. I am using a demo student account, so I don't have any recent readers or recent books. If it is your own account and if you have done some books, it will show up here. Below, you will see all the assignments, 作业. So that's the books that I have chosen for you. And you will need to choose some of the books that you are interested in to work on. As you can see, there are a lot of choices here. So SL stands for storyline, and then S stands for starter. Then you will have Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. If you go below, you will also be able to see storyline level 1, and then Unit 1, 2, 3, and go on. So I have chose starter and level 1 for year 7 students. If you are year 8, you will see level 2 and level 1. So level 2 shows up first, but if you go below, scroll down, you will see level 1 here. Again, you can choose which books that you want to read, and you can click show more to see all the books. If you are year 9, you will see storyline level 4 and storyline level 3 here. So you can scroll down to see more of the level 3 books, and again click show more to see more options. So for some weird reason, the level S starter and 1 also show up here, but if you're year 9, your books are level 3 and level 4. So now you will also see a library down here. So in the library, there are books of cultural knowledge, so very fun and interesting books to tell you something about Chinese culture. But the difference is the books in the library won't have any exercises. It's just for your reading. However, books in the assignments will have some exercises in it. So if you have time and want to learn a bit about culture, feel free to access these books in the library. Now I'm going to show you what the books are like and what you are supposed to do. So I'm just gonna choose a starter book as an example. So this one is actually Halloween Party. So you can play
10月31日
and you can figure out what it is saying. And I'm sure that you know it is saying October the 31st. So this is the picture that shows you the context of the book. And you go on to the next page, and it says something here.
下雨天
And try to figure out the meaning from the picture. See here, it's something about raining day, and there is a prose, and you can guess 下雨天, what does it mean? And if you're not sure, you can check the meaning here, clicking on this global icon. It's a rainy day. And there is also 拼音下雨天. You can play it again.
下雨天
And you go on to the next page. Same thing. Figure out what the teacher is saying, and you can check the meaning. You can play the audio, and you go on the same way for the next few pages. That's each page of the book, and later on you will get to the exercises. So here, now I finally got to the exercises. You can see there are 10 reading pages, which is like 10 lines, and then you can find the exercise pages. Here you'll need to do a matching. So I'm just quickly do giving you an example. Here I can click on submit or check, and you will see if you get it right. And you go on to the next exercises, and you can see there are different exercises. This is the options, multiple choices. There is also a writing one, and you play the stroke order, and you write it here. If you're using a mouse, you will write something like I do, not very neat, but it's fun. You can play. If you don't like it, you can do it again. Oh, this is even worse. Anyway, we go to the next page, and you can see more characters to practice. This one is a listening exercise.
下雨天
Okay, if you have paid attention to the reading pages, you will be able to figure out the meaning of the words, and you will be able to match them.
小羊一个
I'm going to do this one here.
10月31日
Here, and I can check. The next page. So this is a speaking exercise.
雨声4
Basically, you can listen to the original sound and repeat it. 女生4. And you finish, you can click on this icon and you can listen to it. 女生4. If you're not happy with it, you can do it again. And you go to the next page. So here you can see we went to the test. That's the reading pages, exercises. Then there is a test here. So for the test, you will need to choose. You will need to give the answers. So I'm just gonna quickly do it for you. So you will need to click here and to submit it. Let's submit it, and you won't be able to see the correctness straight away because this is like a test. So let's just do it. Submit. And then there is a writing one as well. It's actually the same or similar as the one that you have practiced before. And the same here. Okay, as you can see, I've only got 2 more pages to go. So it's not a very long book. And let me just randomly match this to show you what it's like when you finish. And this is the speaking one. Okay, so once you have finished, you will go to the progress page and you will see your progress for this book. Where is the book? It's there, this one. Wait, it's here. This is the one that we did. We did all of the reading pages, we did some of the listening exercise, none of the writing, and some of the speaking. So you will see whether you have completed the books or not in this page. Now, where do you find this page? Normally, it will get you automatically to this web page once you have finished the book, but you can also click here, your account, and you will see progress. You click progress, and you will see this page. Okay, so it is loading, and you will see all of the books that you've done, and there are also some like library books here. Now, there is a shop. So what is it? For every exercise you do, every book you read, you will get coins or like money in this website. For this money, you can use them to buy games to play. And you can also use them to buy goodies. So goodies are like these icons. So now I can buy a rabbit, I can buy this bag of candies, I can buy a television. You can use the coins to buy the goodies. Okay, so I bought this. I don't know what happens actually. I'm not very familiar with it. Where to see what have you bought? I don't know. Anyway, you can explore it. And then my games, that should be the games that you have purchased. I mean, with the game coins, not the real money. And you can change your profile picture. Oh, I guess maybe this is, I don't know. I thought this is the goodies that you bought. But anyway, if you have, this is where you can find the things you have bought, the goodies. And again, that's it for the website. For the help, you can see what kind of instructions are there to get you to help you get around the website. Most books read and everything. That's about it. I hope you enjoy using the Mandarin Matrix. 再见。